Good afternoon and welcome to the Structures 2012 Congress Awards presentation. The American Society of Civil Engineers and the Structural Engineering Institute both have long histories of honoring members who make significant contributions to the structural engineering profession. This year's recipients have contributed to the goals of the Society and the Institute by publishing outstanding papers, committing to technical excellence, and providing exemplary service. We are pleased to honor the 2012 award winners here today. We ask that you please hold your applause until the end of the presentation. We begin with the awards bestowed by the American Society of Civil Engineers for achievement in the field of structural engineering. The Jack E. Cermak Medal for achievement in the field of wind engineering and industrial aerodynamics was established jointly by the Engineering Mechanics Institute and the Structural Engineering Institute. The 2012 Jack E. Cermak Medal is awarded to Nicholas Isyumov. Dr. Isyumov is honored for his considerable contributions to the field of wind engineering, particularly his work toward developing a wind tunnel methodology used to evaluate tall buildings, long-span bridges, and other structures. The Shortridge Hardesty Award is given annually to individuals who have contributed substantially in applying fundamental results of research to the solution of practical engineering problems in the field of structural stability. This year, we honor Jeffrey A. Packer as winner of the Shortridge Hardesty Award. Dr. Packer has spent his career researching the use of hollow structural section tubes, a desirable but difficult to connect structural member. His work has helped develop practical solutions for these members in structural design. The Moisayev Award is given each year to the authors of a published paper that makes a significant contribution to the field of structural design. The 2012 Moisayev Award is presented to Yasser Alashkar, Sharif El Tawil, and Fahim Sadek for their work entitled Progressive Collapse Resistance of Steel Concrete Composite Floors, published in the October 2010 issue of the Journal of Structural Engineering. This paper was singled out for recognition because it makes a valuable contribution to the state of the art. This work improved understanding of the mechanics of steel concrete composite floor progressive collapse resistance. Additionally, this work provides important information for future research, including evaluation of existing steel building robustness and design of new buildings. The Raymond C. Reese Research Prize is given to the authors of a published paper that makes an outstanding contribution to the application of structural engineering research. The 2012 award is presented to John W. Vandelint, Shiling Pei, Stephen E. Pryor, Hidemaru Shimizu, and Hiroshi Isoda for their paper entitled Experimental Seismic Response of a Full-Scale 6-Story Light Frame Wood Building, published in the October 2010 issue of the Journal of Structural Engineering. This paper describes an experimental research program for a large-scale multi-story wood frame building built and tested on the NEID-E Defense Large-Scale Shaking Table in Miki, Japan. This research is a comprehensive multidisciplinary endeavor, and this award is made specifically because of the practical value and consequences of this research. The team's findings provide an improved understanding of the load path and seismic performance of timber structures. By improving the understanding of structural behavior, this work enables engineers to design and build taller and larger timber buildings. In addition, this paper describes improved economical system design and construction and improved seismic performance from timber buildings. Each year, the Publications Division of ASCE and the Board of Publications Committee bestows one Associate Editor Award selected from nominations received from the ASCE Journal editors. The Structural Engineering Institute would like to join the ASCE Journals Department in honoring Michael Scott winner of the 2011 Associate Editor Award. Mr. Scott is honored for his consistent and exemplary service to the Journal of Structural Engineering. The Structural Engineering Institute has established awards to recognize those individuals and groups whose contributions have helped advance the goals of the Institute. To encourage and recognize outstanding achievement by local chapters of the Structural Engineering Institute, the SEI Local Activities Division and the SEI Board of Governors has established the SEI Chapter of the Year Award. SEI is proud to announce the first winner of this annual award is the New Orleans chapter. This chapter has a number of dedicated members who have been active for the last 20 years in various activities that support the structural engineering profession. They successfully organize engineering seminars each year, sponsor and contribute to the annual ASCE Civil Engineering Conference, as well as participate in a number of other community outreach activities. Last year, the SEI New Orleans chapter hosted the SEI Local Leadership Conference, presented during the leadership sessions, and organized the event's technical tour of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers West Closure Complex, the largest pump station in North America. In addition, the chapter members provide funds to University of New Orleans students to participate in various competitions as well as speak at student meetings. In 2009, the Student Initiatives Committee of the SEI Board of Governors established the Student Structural Design Competition. Each year, universities across the country submit their innovative projects that demonstrate excellence in structural engineering at the undergraduate level. This year's group of submissions was the most robust yet. SEI proudly announces the winners of the 2012 Student Structural Design Competition. First prize was awarded to the Villanova University team. Students Stephen Kane, Scott Albarella, John Garland, Michael Mignella, and Lewis Ross, with faculty advisor Zane Uzman, for their project, U.S. Route 67 Corridor Project, Jerseyville Bypass Bridge Design. Second prize was awarded to the team from the University of Colorado, Denver. Students John Pettit, Jose Cordoba, Jeff Gee, Ramon Martinez, and Jeff Felling, with faculty advisor Professor Peter Markshausen, for their project, Idaho Springs Maintenance Facility Design. Third prize was awarded to the Milwaukee School of Engineering. Students Austin Meyer, Mark Peterson, and Stephanie Pichota, with faculty advisor Professor Christopher Rabel, for their project Sweetwater Organics Vertical Farm Design. All three winning projects will be presented at a special session immediately following the plenary in the Frank Lloyd Wright Rooms in the Aon Building. The Dennis L. TEWKSBURY Award was established in 1999 to recognize an individual member of SEI that has advanced the interests of the Institute through innovative leadership, promoted the growth and visibility of SEI, established working relationships between SEI and other structural engineering organizations, or has otherwise rendered valuable service to the engineering profession. The 2012 Dennis L. TEWKSBURY Award is given to Craig Barnes. Mr. Barnes has a distinguished history of service to SEI and the structural engineering profession. He served for several years on the SEI Business and Professional Activities Committees and has been a lead supporter in developing a standardized structural engineering curriculum in universities throughout the United States. He has long served on the Structure magazine editorial board and served as section coordinator for the Structures Congress in 1992 and 1995. The Walter P. Moore Jr. Award was established in 1998 to honor the dedication and technical expertise of its namesake and recognize significant contributions to the development of codes and standards. For his contribution, the 2012 Walter P. Moore Jr. Award is given to Donald Dusenberry. Mr. Dusenberry has been active in the development of SEI standards for more than 20 years and has participated as a member of multiple standards committees. He is currently serving as chair of the 2010 edition of ASCE 7, Minimum Design Loads for Buildings and Other Structures. He chairs the committee that developed the first edition of the recently published ASCE SEI 59 standard for blast-resistant design titled Blast Protection of Buildings. With this award, he is honored for his leadership and dedication to technical excellence in the development of codes and standards. The SEI President's Award was established in 2008. The award, which may be bestowed annually, is given at the discretion of the President of the Structural Engineering Institute and recognizes an SEI member who has made exemplary contributions to the success of the Institute. The 2012 President's Award is given to Roberto Leon. Dr. Leon has given generously of his time over the course of his career in service to the members of SEI. Among his many appointments were terms as the SEI President, member of the SEI Board of Governors, the ASCE Technical Region Board of Governors representing SEI, and multiple standards and technical committees. He is currently serving as past president of the SEI Board of Governors and was recently appointed to the Applied Technology Council Board to represent SEI. The American Society of Civil Engineers and the Structural Engineering Institute are pleased to honor all of this year's award recipients. And now, will the 2012 award winners please stand to be recognized? Please join us in a round of applause to congratulate the 2012 award winners.